On our way back from Sharm el Sheikh to Pakistan, we had a transit, 6 hour transit at Jeddah airport. I wanted to show you the Jeddah airport terminal as well. It's a beautiful airport and a good terminal. When you enter the terminal, you see on the ground floor different shops, duty free shops, and providing the latest perfumes, jewelry, other stuff, as well as the dates. On the first floor, there are different outlets, food outlets like Albaik, McDonald, and others. There's also the lounge, business lounge, the on the first floor. We had our 6 hours over here. We enjoyed the our stay over here. We had some food at the Albaik as well. Then we went to the different outlets of the duty free. I did some shopping, also purchased dates for my family. So it's a good terminal, beautiful shops, though it's a small one, but it does cater all the necessary items for you. And when you are traveling, you can have some souvenirs, some gifts for your family, for your friends. Uh, of your destination. So this was the last stop of our travel to Sharm el Sheikh, which I wanted to share with you as well. I hope you have enjoyed the my vlogs from the Sharm el Sheikh and now this one. Hopefully, inshallah, when I visit the next city, then I will be sharing with you vlogs from there. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.